What material the prosecution would have at the time of framing of charge before the court. I think that is very, very important, because if the charges are dropped by the special judge in Lucknow, will bring an end to as far as these big time politicians of the BJP is concerned.
Right.
But if the prosecution is able to place enough material before the special judge that these three politicians were involved in demolition of the Babi Masjid, and whereas the stand of the leadership is that it was spontaneous, it was a crowd reaction, and there was no pre-planning to it. So I think these two things needs to be seen. And as far as timeline is concerned, I think since 25 years have already passed, so putting a timeline by the Supreme Court that it should be taken on a day-to-day hearing and all the evidence should be placed before the court and cross-examination and everything should be completed in a matter of 2 years, I think that's a laudable step, because already 25 years have passed. So if taking it another 10 years or 15 years would mean nothing, So I think that setting up a timeline, and not only for this case, if the Supreme Court directs all other cases where politicians are involved, I think that would bring a lot of
All right. So on that
justice.
note, of course, but
and
whether this can set an example of really setting